So at Pillow Talk, we do what we do for the love of comfort, and that encompasses an awful lot. Whether you're working in the store, in the warehouse, in offices, we provide you with a comfortable environment.
The best part of my job here at Pillow Talk is that it is forever changing. There is no 2 days alike. Every day you come into something different. You're always challenged with everything that we do.
I keep reinventing myself personally, but with the business as well. So my creativity gets to be shown, challenged at the same time.
I see the brand continuing to be a household name in Australia. I see a lot of blue sky for Pillow Talk for the next 40 plus years.
The botanical look is definitely one that we return to each season. It's always relevant. You start with an idea and then build it and grow it, and everyone has something different to contribute to that idea, and in the end you've created a beautiful product.
Best thing about my job is the people, giving people an opportunity to grow and develop and really shine through in their roles. There's nothing better than that.
What sets Pillow Talk apart is how they're able to allow people to develop within that role and progress through to create careers for themselves.
I've been a part of the Future Leaders program for a few months now. Training for me to progress within the company, better learning to be a great leader for the future, and just everything involved in the role and learning how to better utilise all our skills.
I've been with the company for 15 years. I started off as a casual in 2003 and now I'm the area manager.
The business leaders, right from the top down, really set up a culture of really encouraging everyone, no matter what their role is, to have their say and to have their own input. It's about the collective and not just about the bottom line.
We are the link between our warehouse and our stores. We know if any of our stores are having issues with supply or getting stock. We are really the key to help them get back in stock and make sure our stock is in the stores for our customers to buy.
3 words that sum up Pillow Talk for me: values, family, and fun.
Dynamic, exciting and homely.
Passion, togetherness and quality.
Comfort, family, and our style.
Fun, bright and home.
Australian, opportunity and team.
The commitment that all of those people, from the 6 or 7 we had when we started, from its roots of 1977 to the 800 we have today, they're all involved in terms of decency, product knowledge, desire to be a part of what we're about and how we're going to go and do it. That's us. It's a very short statement, but it pulls who we are, where we've come from and where we intend to go.